Legends of Learning presents the Action Fraction Prepare to Compare game. This is a math game that makes learning about comparing two fractions fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, long ago, Algardia was full of magic until the sneaky Petrus stole it, leaving the land in darkness. The ancient Kimons still hold the key, but their secrets are trapped in broken math puzzles. Only the bravest adventurers can solve them. Use your fraction skills to unlock the magic, restore the light, and bring Algardia back to life. Use the keyboard for movement. A for left, D for right, W to ladder up, S to ladder down, space to jump, backspace to throw love. Use the mouse to drag and drop to solve riddles. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.